Okay, in this video I will share to you about how to make the Wavefront hotel and resort in Sketchup. Okay, first of all we can make the shading in here. We can use the rectangle and click from this point to this point in here until we get the rectangle surfaces in here. Then now we can select the push pull. We can push it to the another side, maybe around 3 meter approximately, and to the another side also around 3 meter. Enter. Okay, then now we can select the rectangle, click from this point to the another point in here. Then now we can click this surface, and now we can place to the position in here. Okay, then now we can double click, right click, and make component, and then just create in here. Then now we can select move, tap control, and just place and okay, just like this. Okay, and after that now we can make the curve in here. Okay, we can make the curve with the 2-point arc in here for this position. Then now we can push it until to the limit in here, and okay, then now we can make the curve. We can select the 2-point arc. Okay, now we can make the curve in here. Maybe we can make the extreme curve and make the curve in here also, and erase. Now we can erase this one. Okay, then now we can make the curve in here again. Okay, then now we can click and push it until to the position in here. Okay, just like this. So this is about the this is about the result. Okay, this is about the result in here. Okay, and after that now we can select the line, and then now we can click from this position and from to this position in here, and just place on that way. Okay, then now we can triple click and offset it outside in here. Okay, then now we can select the line in here. Okay, then now we can select the line to this position. Then now we can push it up, and then just place to the position in here. Double click and make group. Okay, then now we can assign about the materials in here. Okay, anyway, maybe we can also create the color in here. We can create the appropriate color. We can add color in here and add more color, and set up about the saturation in here. Then select OK, and okay, we can click this one and triple click and assign about the materials in here, and we can triple click and select the 2-point arc and just click and just place to the position in here and push it down until to the position in here. Okay, then now we can make the circle and push it down until to the limit in here for this circle. And okay, so this is about the result, the temporary result in here, and maybe we can make more something in here, or we can assign about the materials. Okay, we can just set up about the materials of the units color in here. Okay, maybe we can set this color with the appropriate color as we want in here. Okay, just like this. Okay, maybe this is about the appropriate color, or maybe we can set up again about the saturation. We can also set up about the saturation just like this, so it could be light gray in here. And this is about the rooftop in here. Okay, now we can make the line in here. Click and select move, tap control, and just place, type 9 slash and enter in here. Okay, then now we can click and push it down until the limit, and now we can click for all of these surfaces in here with the rectangle like this. Okay, just like this. Okay, now and after that now we can make the line in here. We can make the line we can make the rectangle in here to make the baseline in here. And now we can select make group, and okay, we can select the concrete. Okay, we can select the asphalt in here and just assign all the asphalt materials in here. And then now we can make the another landscaping in here. Okay, we can just select the landscaping over this position, or okay, maybe we can make this one in here. we can adjust with the landscape, and now we can make the rectangle in here and push it to front, type 400 in here, and just double click and just make group in here and select move, tap control and just place and click and push it down, type 150 millimeter in here. Okay, then now we can select move, tap control and just multiple duplicate. You have to multiple duplicate to be a stair in here, or if we want it to be more large, we can move to the another position in here, and we can click and push it to another side in here. Okay, and okay, maybe we can make a canopy. We can make the canopy component in here, canopy object, and push it to the another side until to the position in here, and just make group. Okay, maybe we can make more. We can click and place. Okay, we can push it down in here. Okay, just like this, and then now we can make the another variation, curve variation in here, and push it until the limit in here, and okay, we can click and select move. Okay, now we can just place to the position in here, and okay, we can now select the circle to make the variation of this canopy, or maybe we can make the something unique, something more unique in here, and push it until the limit in here. Okay, just like this, and assign about the materials in here, and okay, this is the basic result, and this is about the drop off. This is about the drop off lobby, and maybe we can triple click and just place to the position in here. Okay, maybe we can complete this one. Okay, or maybe we can just click and select copy and just paste in place in here, and okay, we can make group. We can right click and make group in here and just place. Okay, sorry, we have to erase some unnecessary surfaces in here first. Click and just place and assign about the materials in here, just like this, and okay, now we can make the sloping in here. We can adjust this one. Can click and just select move to the position in here, and for this one select move to the position. So this is about the drop off area, and we can assign about the concrete material in here for the drop off area, and okay, now we can double click make group, and now we can select the landscaping in here and assign about the materials in here, just like this, and okay, so this is about the result. And okay, maybe we can also explore more about the another utility, like the another meshing of the building in here, and like okay, maybe this is about the another building. This is for the another building component in here. So we can adjust this one. Okay, we can select this line and select move, tap control and type 150 millimeter in here, and just click and just place in here. Okay, now we can make group in here. Okay, we can assign about the materials and synchronize about the color, and now we can select the glass. Maybe we can select the blue glass in here. Okay, and then now we can assign about the another building in here with 6/ and enter, and for this one select move, type control, type / and enter in here. So you can explore more about this one, or maybe we can make like a green roof in here. It's depend on you in here. It's depend on you, and this it's depend on your taste in here, or maybe we can make the curve. Okay, maybe we can make the curve to make it more impressive in here. Okay, then now we can also add more component like this one, and also the silhouette people, and also the tree. Select move and tap control. Okay, maybe we can place the cladding in here. We can place the cladding for the like semi outdoor food court in here. It's like this, and or maybe we can make it more vegetation in here, and about the car on the drop off area in here. So okay, so we can make the impressive one in here. We can make the impressive to be like, we can make it more representative enough in here. So this is about the result, and I will show you about the floor plan in here. So this is about the floor plan, and so this is about the units. Okay, this is a unit, and this is soft plumbing in here, and there's a wastafel and toilet in here, and shower area in here, and bedroom and TV cabinet here, and this is about the emergency exit area in here on this black spot on the right and also to the left, and also the surfaces vertical circulation like elevator and also panel room and another room, and this is additional room or communal room, and this is also the additional room and communal room also. Okay, so this is okay, about the perspective. Okay, this is about the perspective, and I will set up about the shadow in here. Okay, so this is about the shadow composition in here, just like this. Okay, and this is the appearance. So you can also explore more about with your style, with your idea about the shading, maybe for about the details of the shading, and much more. Okay, I think that's enough. So you can explore more about this 3D model, and thank you for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you very much.